Storytelling, terrific insights. I've done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Ocean, the unexplored world beneath us. Today we're talking about something huge, mysterious, and slightly terrifying. If you think about it too long, the oceans. Did you know that we're explored less of the ocean than the surface of the moon? That's right, the moon is basically our neighbor, but the deep sea, that's like the look basement that we still haven't opened. Reason why the ocean remains one of the most unexplored world beneath us. One, it's incredibly deep. The ocean isn't just a deep, is what is down there keep, and some parts go deeper than Mount Everest is tall. That's a lot of mystery. Two, pressure is no joke. Go too deep and the pressure could crush things instantly. It's like the ocean saying, visitors, not today. Three, total darkness below. Sunlight barely reaches far down beyond a certain depth. It's pitch black, like turning off the lights forever. Four, strange creatures everywhere, from glowing fish to see-through animals. The deep sea looks like a sci-fi movie, but it's real. Five, it's huge, like really huge. Oceans cover over 70% of Earth. Exploring all of that is like trying to reach every book in the world underwater. Six, technology limitations. We've got amazing tech, but the ocean keeps saying, nice try. Exploring extreme depths safely is still a big challenge. Seven, it's expensive to explore. Deep sea mission costs a lot. Like maybe I'll just staying land kind of expensive. Eight, unknown ecosystem. Enter ecosystems exist down and there will barely understand. It's like discovering a hidden city with fish as residents. 9. Underwater volcanoes and landscapes. There are mountains, valleys, and volcanoes underwater. Basically, a whole secret version of Earth. 10. New species are still being found. Scientists regularly discover new marine life. The oceans is like a surprise box that never runs out. 11. Climate clues hidden below. The ocean holds a secret about Earth's past and future climate. It's like a natural history book, just very wet. 12. Mysterious sounds. Strange underwater noises have been recorded, and some are still unexplained. Ocean 1, human 0. 13. We're only explored a tiny fraction. Estimated, say over 80% of the ocean remains unexplored. That's not just a mystery, that's a whole adventure waiting. So next time that you look at the ocean, remember you're staring at one of the greatest mystery on earth. Calm on the surface, but full of secrets below. And who knows, maybe the next big discovery is still swimming out there, waiting. Until next time, stay curious and maybe don't share too long into the deep. It might stare back.